Hi guys, today I have something very tasty and easy to make for you for the hot summer days. Homemade iced tea in 3 delicious variations. One classic lemon, one with strawberry and one with blueberry. First, let's prepare the tea. I used English breakfast tea, a loose tea, but you can also use tea bags instead of a loose tea if you prefer. Of course, any other type of black tea will work as well. Pour boiled water over the tea and let it steep according to the packaging instructions. Once ready, strain the tea into another container and let it cool completely. While the tea is cooling, thinly slice the lemons. When the tea has cooled completely, we can start making the iced teas. For the lemon iced tea, juice half of a lemon, fill a glass with ice cubes and lemon slices, then pour in the lemon juice. If you prefer your iced tea without lemon pulp, strain the juice before pouring it into the glass. Fill the glass with the cool tea, adjust the strength by adding a little water if desired, mix well and sweeten with sugar, honey or your preferred sweetener. Garnish with a lemon slice and fresh mint. For the strawberry version, chop about 5 strawberries into small pieces, add some of the cooled tea and blend until smooth. Strain the puree through a sieve into another glass to remove the pulp. Fill a glass with ice cubes, lemon slices and fresh strawberries. Add the strawberry juice and fill the glass with tea. Mix briefly, sweeten if necessary and garnish with lemon slices and fresh mint. For the blueberry version, blend a handful of blueberries with some cool tea until smooth. Strain the mixture through a sieve into another glass. Fill a glass with ice cubes, blueberries and lemon slices. Add the blueberry juice and fill the glass with cooled tea. Mix briefly, sweeten to taste and garnish with lemon slices and fresh mint. I believe all 3 versions are very refreshing and perfect for summer days. But which of the 3 would you most like to try? Feel free to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.